Bluetooth receiver IC, and this one amplifier IC. So power capacitor and speaker terminal. So inputs are 15 volt and coaxial and optical. Simple circuit for the sound bar. Operation key is power on off and volume up and volume down and menu. Let's see inside of PCB board. Four keys and SD card slot, aux input jack, and this side speaker terminal, speaker connecting terminal socket. Here IR receiver for this remote control. Bass and treble control, movie mode, music mode, dial-up mode. Inputs are the Bluetooth, MP3 for the SD card, coaxial and aux input. So operation key. Normal 1.5 voltage battery. These are AAA batteries. I heard the words in your eyes. Let go of what you say. Listen to tell you all these things.